Welcome to IT Master, where developers don't just keep up, they lead the way. In today's class, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is changing the way we build websites, not in theory, but in action. We'll walk through the full process of building a website using AI, from the design phase all the way to testing and optimization. Let's start with the design. Every great website begins with a plan, a layout, and a user experience in mind. That's where Figma comes in. Figma is a free, powerful, browser-based design tool that allows you to create UI designs visually. From headers and navigation bars to buttons, forms, and entire page layouts, Figma helps you put your vision together without writing a single line of code. Once your design is complete, the next step is turning it into real, usable code. And this is where AI tools like Anima, Locofy, and Framer come into play. Anima allows you to export your Figma design into responsive HTML, CSS, and React components. It keeps the structure, spacing, fonts, and even basic animations, which means less manual handoff and faster builds. Locofy goes further. It generates production-ready code that works with modern frameworks like React, Next.js, and even React Native. It's ideal for developers who want full control over their code, while saving time on repetitive work. Framer is perfect for designers who want to go live quickly. It lets you create and publish fully functional websites directly from your design, using a visual editor powered by AI. No coding needed, but still flexible and dynamic. Now let's talk about integrating the code and enhancing it with AI. Once you have the basic structure, open your code in an editor like VS Code, and activate your AI assistant, tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, or Codium. Let's say you want to add dark mode. Simply type your request, add dark mode using Tailwind CSS, and within seconds, the AI writes the necessary code. Fast, clean, and ready to go. Want to clean up your layout or make the design responsive? Ask your assistant. It will analyze the structure and provide you with improved, mobile-friendly code. Facing a bug? Paste the code and ask what's going wrong. The AI will debug it, explain the error, and guide you toward the solution, like a personal mentor. Let's move to performance. Run a lighthouse audit on your site. You'll get metrics like first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, and cumulative layout shift. Paste the results into your AI assistant and ask how to fix each issue. You'll get actionable suggestions, whether it's lazy loading images, optimizing fonts, or improving server response times. And now, testing. Use Playwright, Cypress, or other AI-integrated testing tools to generate test cases. Ask your AI to write an end-to-end test for your login page. It will cover user input, error validation, and navigation logic automatically. That's not all. AI can help you generate SEO metadata, write alt text for accessibility, improve form usability, and even simulate user behavior for better UX. This new workflow, from Figma design to AI-generated code, debugging, performance tuning, and automated testing, is faster, more efficient, and smarter than traditional methods. It doesn't replace you. It empowers you. You're still the decision maker, the architect, and the creative mind. AI is just here to accelerate your process and remove the busy work. So keep learning. Keep experimenting. The tools are evolving fast, and if you learn how to use them right, you'll stay ahead of the curve. This is IT Master. Subscribe now, and keep building the web, one smart project at a time. Class dismissed.